Hey everyone, the HyperX Alloy Rise 75 keyboard is an original work of art as well as a useful gaming equipment. Since there are only two variants of the HyperX Alloy Rise, one in full size and one in 75% layout, it has merited museum status. For individuals who value outstanding design, the HyperX Alloy Rise 75 offers cutting-edge gaming capabilities in addition to stunning looks. With its detachable Type-C cable, keycap puller, and instruction manual, the Alloy Rise 75 comes in a cloth case that makes sure gamers have everything they need. Its 8,000 Hz polling rate, which is 8 times quicker than the typical 1,000 Hz, is one of its most notable features. This reduces lag and makes every keystroke nearly immediate. Automatic light adjustment, a novel innovation for gaming keyboards. The keyboard has an embedded light sensor that modifies the RGB backlight in response to ambient lighting. Like the majority of settings, this one is managed by HyperX's robust NGENUITY software, which lets you build unique profiles, alter effects, and overlay lighting. Magnetic top plate. The robust magnetic top plate of the keyboard can sustain the weight of the complete keyboard. It requires some work to remove, which demonstrates HyperX's attention to detail and the high caliber of its construction. Premium keycaps and switches, well-lubricated stabilizers, HyperX red linear switches, and PBT keycaps with engravings offer a premium typing experience. The switches can be easily replaced with other HyperX switches because they are compatible with 5-pin sockets and are hot swappable, despite the fact that they are not pre-lubricated. The Alloy Rise 75 is small, keeping the standard arrow keys plus a few additional keys in the upper right corner, such as an adjustable F13 key. With a single click for mute, its tactile volume knob provides a comfortable feel and enables rapid volume adjustments. Additionally, the keyboard has HyperX's recognizable RGB side strips, which give the sides a chic glow. HyperX intends to enhance customizing choices for tactile enthusiasts with the upcoming release of their Aqua Tactile switches. You have complete control over the Alloy Rise 75 thanks to HyperX's NGENUITY software, which lets you change the auto brightness direction, effects, and lighting brightness. Additionally, it facilitates the creation of macros, key remapping, and profile binding to particular apps. The inability to change the volume knob's settings is a small inconvenience for a keyboard that is otherwise incredibly versatile. All the essential customization tools are included with the HyperX Alloy Rise 75, and HyperX has partnered with well-known streamers to produce unique keyboards in-stream, giving spectators a distinctive perspective on customizing. HyperX will sell replacement plates and badges so that users can customize their Alloy Rise to fit their own taste if they want a more personalized appearance. Despite being expensive, the Alloy Rise 75 closes a gap in the market for high-performance keyboards that are both aesthetically pleasing and practical. The Alloy Rise series is a great option for both discriminating gamers and keyboard aficionados due to its outstanding build quality, remarkable features, and creative flair. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel, have a nice day, and God bless you.